I'm Thomas Sayers, and this is my Explore Electronics project, Recreational Combat Robotics. So what is recreational combat robotics? I say recreational because I'm not talking about robotics in the military, but rather a sport where teams build robots that compete in arena-style combat. Similar to competitive martial arts, the robots, driven by their respective teams, will fight each other in an arena, and the winner will be determined either by knockout or by a panel of judges. Also, like martial arts, there are different weight classes of robots, ranging from the 75-gram flyweight class to as large as a 340-pound super heavyweight class. The most well-known class competition is the 250-pound heavyweights, which is a world championship that is televised annually as BattleBots. Teams from around the world apply to compete in the competition. A variety of bots can compete in the sport, ranging from robots with spinning weapons, crushing grapplers, flippers, and a lot more. All of these robots require a myriad of electronic components, all must be protected from the enemy robots. The use of electronics is prevalent throughout the sport, whether you're building your robot, driving it, or trying to destroy someone else's robot. Some of the most important electronics of a combat robotic are the batteries, the motors, and the radio receiver. If any of these fail or are destroyed, then your chances of winning are next to none, making the correct installation and upkeep of your electronics crucial. Probably the most important electronic component involved in combat robotics is electronic speed controller. This is the bridge between the remote control operated by the driver and the motors inside of the robot. When you push the joystick forward, the ESC reads that signal and decides how much power to send to the motor. And it doesn't just turn the motors on or off, it controls the speed, direction, and braking of the motor in real time. There are two main types of ESCs. There are brushed ESCs, which are simpler and work with brushed DC motors and are often used for driving the wheels. There are also brushless ESCs, which are more advanced and used for powerful weapon motors like spinning blades, drums, and sometimes a full body spinner, which turns the entire robot into a moving weapon. One fun fact is that some robots are so high-tech that teams custom make their own ESCs. They'll pick their own transistors, write custom firmware, and design special cooling systems to prevent the electronics from overheating in battle, especially since some robots use flamethrowers as primary or secondary weapons. And that's it. Thank you for watching this presentation.